I'm sitting here with Coach Schleifer following a 80-58 Jennies win over Missouri Western. Coach, really complete game it looked like today for the Jennies. If you could go ahead, just give us your thoughts and maybe some highlights of the game for you.
I thought that we closed out the first half very well, got us a 5-point lead. Shippey made a nice three. I felt like that we had a lot of hustle points this ball game. We got 11 offensive rebounds. We were very concerned with the way that Missouri Western plays in transition because they run, but it's a lot better for us whenever they run and have to take the ball out of the basket. So we ended up with 19 offensive rebounds for the game. Very, very good for our ball club to do that, and that's the difference in the game, I thought.
It certainly was getting the advantage on the glass, as well as in a couple of other categories of the assist category. Tonight it looked like Aaron and Fleming, the guards, they did a really good job of passing the ball around.
Well, they combined for 10 assists and just 3 turnovers. Aaron had 3 turnovers. Kara did a great job of taking care of the basketball. And I tell you what, that may have been as good a game as Aaron's played because I felt like she broke their defense down constantly and was able to find some open people. So I was proud of that. And I think the thing I'm most proud of is our defense. And I thought our defense was much better than it's been all year long. We finally put 40 minutes together where we played offense, defense, and really did a good job in transition. So this is a game that we needed to have. It looks like that we are in the MIAA tournament now. Looks like Fort Hays is going to get beat at Pitt State. That game is just finishing up. So we're excited to be in the MIAA tournament, and we're ready to play some good basketball.
It certainly does look like the team's ready the way they put it together tonight. The girls look like they're excited, and they can feel that that they're going to be playing in the big dance there in Kansas City. So like to see a big crowd come out for that. It's always exciting. Any thoughts on the tournament itself?
Well, we love the MIAA tournament, and I used to play in it whenever it was just at a host school, which was just like another conference game. But now there's great pageantry. It's fun to go to Kansas City, stay at the Marriott, and you get to play in municipal auditorium. And there's a chance we weren't going to make it, and that would not have been a good ending for Becca and Kara. And Becca and Kara, our 2 seniors, said, you know what, we're going to get this done tonight. And Becca had a rough start, and she ended up playing very, very good basketball. And Kara, I thought she's played with a lot of confidence, is shooting the ball extremely well right now. And we took a 9 to 10 point lead, and all of a sudden it's a 25-point ball game. So I'd like to tip my cap to those 2 as they played a great last game here at the Multi.
Absolutely. Looking forward to seeing you play in Municipal Auditorium, Coach. Thank you for your time.
Thank you, Chris.